What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Neil coming to you with another video. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hey, if you're here to learn about how to save on a budget, this is the place to be. Thank you so much for all my subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for the new subscribers who have joined us. Thank you to all of you old subscribers. What's up, girl? What's up? But let's get started because I don't want to be before you long, okay? So we're going to start with our cash envelopes. I have changed my wallet. I still do have my Filefax, but I had just celebrated my birthday this weekend. Hey! And my family bought me a new wallet, so I had to change back up to these. But right now, gas, we don't have anything. Neil, there's nothing there. The girls have nothing. And then this one is my leftover $5 that we are going to stuff. So we have $5, $10, $15, $20, $25 that we are going to stuff in our 5 envelope. But I'm just going to sit this in here. Guys, you see my new cash holder? So cute. It's just a cosmetic thing. I ordered it from Amazon because I couldn't find the other clear one that everybody is using. But I thought this was really cute to add to our video. So this is what we're going to do. Let's stuff these real quick. So gas today is going to get 62.46. Gas is getting 60. And then, come on. Gas is getting 60. The girls are going to get 20. And then I am going to get 40. Okay. And that's that. I'm going to sit these to the side. And then I'm going to pull over. You guys see this? Okay, I'm going to pull over my binder and we're going to start with my sinking funds. Now, some of these I will be stuffing today and some of these I won't. Let me see if I can move this over just a little bit. Make some room here. Want the money to stay on camera. All right, we're going to figure this out. I might have to turn this sideways, but we will figure this out. Or, you know what? Let me just take everything out of here. Probably be a lot easier if I just take them all out. And then I'll put them back at the end. Alright, I didn't need to take that out. Emergency, we're not stuffing. Back to school today, we're not stuffing. Birthdays, guys, we used a whole $300. Where are you? Oh, maybe I need to bring it back. Okay, we used a whole $300 that was in here, but today we are going to stuff birthdays with $50. Do I have enough change? Yeah, I'm sure I do. Let's $50 today for birthday. I'm gonna put this in here. The birthday is gonna get stuff. Truck maintenance. You know what? Oh, hold on. Birthday is going to get a plus 50. Truck maintenance is only going to get $1 today, guys. I still want to put some money in some of these envelopes, even though I'm not filling all of them. There is 2 for 10, so there's $50 in here. We're gonna give them $1. So now truck maintenance has $51. I'll fill out my little index cards later. You guys know I'm crazy about index cards. It's what happens when you're a teacher. You have tons of index cards all over the place. Family time currently has $5 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna give it $1. That's 6. Neil today. I told you guys I spent all my money on my birthday gift, but we're going to give me $20 today. So Neil gets 20. My oldest today is going to get 20. Jay is going to get 20, 50, 100, 20, 30, plus her 20. It's going to now give her 50, 100, 20, 40, 50. So now she has 150. So plus 20 makes that 150. My little one, she celebrated her birthday this weekend too, and we're just gonna give her her birthday money. Now she was able to get $55 in birthday money this week, so we're gonna add her birthday money to her envelope, okay? And you know how I feel about that 5, honey, but it's her money, so I'm gonna keep it. 50, 100, 150, 70, 90, 95. So she has $195 in her envelope now. $195. Okay. Moving right along. Homeowners insurance. Let's see. I think I put money in here this week. 20, 21, 22, 23. Yup, I did. I added $2 in here this week. I just had $2 extra and made it $25. So homeowners, I'm not putting anything else in here because I've already put the $2 in here for the week to make this 25. But we will update the tracker. Homeowners, so it's 25. Registration. 50, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 76. So now we have $76 in here. Okay. I should have these in order, but I don't. Ooh, I'm about to write a 0. Oh, that's high. Let's fix that. Let's add the $1 here and make this 76. Beauty. Yes, honey. And beauty. This, what I have in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this has to come out of here and go into my personal money because I am going tonight to go get my nails done. Girls, well, they won't go there. Couldn't make an appointment this weekend because I was too busy partying up. But this 5 for tips, this is the tip, needs to go into my personal envelope because we are definitely going to use this today. So we're going to put that over there. Take that out of there. So beauty has nothing. So we're going to say -5 for beauty. Because that's my tip. Student loans. I'm not putting anything here, and these are 2 extra envelopes that I added. So we'll sit those over there. Excuse me. And now we'll pull out the other envelopes. So normally I would do my my savings challenges, like my $1 a day, my 52 weeks. And my $5 savings. Normally I would do these 3 envelopes in another video, but today I'm just gonna update them while I'm doing this. Instead of making another video, I'm just gonna update this, and today I'm gonna give the $52 challenge is gonna get $10. So let's count and see what's in here. We have 50, 100, 2, 4, 6, 7, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, $81. So now 52 weeks is up to $81. And I think with this challenge, guys, I'm going to start, you know, remember back in the day, or last year, I should say, I used to have this right here. I used to do my index card challenge. I think I'm going to turn this into the 52 weeks where I grab 2 envelopes a week and we stuff those envelopes. I think this is what I'm going to do, because if you guys watched my last video, I told you how I was getting bored with 52 weeks, and I think I'm going to go back to this. So I will let you guys know if I am or not. Dollar a day. Currently, you guys know we already have the money in the bank, but we are going to add our $28 to this today. So let's get a 20, and let's do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let me count that again to make sure I have $8 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we do. So we're going to add the $28. $2 a day. Trying to put money the right way, guys. Do you guys count from your left hand to your right, or do you go right to left? Let me know in the comments which way you do it, because I count left to right, but I know there's so many people that count right to left. All right, so let's count this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So 170 plus the 588, and we already have in the bank, guys, gives us $728. So let's put that to the side. And then my 5s, guys. Hopefully you went and watched my update on my $5 challenge. So we're gonna add, I had stopped filling this out. You see, look what happened. Oh, emergency, we didn't put nothing in there. The only time we didn't put nothing in there. Back to school, 0. Oh, girl, go up. Okay, so here we added $28. So now we have $728 to here. Here we added $10. So now we have $181 in here. And now we're about to add 2, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, $25 in here. 25. So that's gonna give us how much? Put the 25 in here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, $45. So that's gonna give us 45 here. So technically we have $645 towards our $5 challenge. So I'm gonna put that away. And then I'm gonna grab these other envelopes that I have in here. So, P.O. Box is gonna get $1. So I'm gonna put $1 in here, and this is gonna give us now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 is in here. Vacation is gonna get $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus the 1 is 6. So P.O. Box got $1, so 6. Vacation has $1, that's 6. My BMW is going to get $3. So that's going to give us $13 in here. So plus 3 is 13. BMW is going to get 3. that's 13. Medical is going to get $1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's $6. And yes, you may say, oh, it's only $1. These dollars will add up. It's okay. I wanted to give something into this envelope this week. Retirement's gonna get $1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in retirement. And then we have these $2 are gonna go into a house for us. So medical got $1, so that's 6. Retirement got $1, that's 6. And home for us is gonna get 2. So these 2 will make us have turn the money in the right direction. I want it all going the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, 7. So now this has $7. So let's add this to say $7. All right, guys, and last but not least, let's update our change here. Excuse me, guys, for the noise, but let's put the money that I had leftover change from my wallet inside our change drawer. I just want to make sure there's no pennies in here. Trying to get all this money out of my wallet. And we're going to add this as well to our jars. The cute little save jar. Here we put in our nickels and dimes. So I'm just going to add the nickels and the dimes in here. Sorry if I'm hurting anybody's ears. I'll try to do it as soft as I can. And then we are going to add all of our quarters to our quarter challenge. And look where we're at. We're at $25.75. So let's add these quarters here to our jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 quarters I was able to save to give us a total of $28, guys. How about that? We're at $28, so we added 9 quarters to give us $28. So we added $2.25. All right, guys. This concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. As I always tell you, stay disciplined, stay focused, trust God in everything you do, and He shall show up for you. Love you much. Bye-bye.